Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Man, them bed man well cozy.
Up and running, you see it?
Pull on the bed of the way overhead. Yes, sir, we like it.
Comfortable, man.
Comfy.
Well, comfy, you know?
See there?
I had good sleep last night, so up and running.
Can't complain.
Yeah, comfy.
We don't give thanks to the Almighty.
Hold on, man.
Which is
Every
right.
time.
Yeah, man, I'm glad you're comfortable and everything good and you're happy.
What kind of boss, you know?
Yeah.
What kind of
See you go kind of over here.
Tough, man. Rated, man. Nice. Nice bed.
Yeah. Bed bossy and thing. And like Prince to the side, see him over the corner there. So.
Smile as usual,
Smile as usual. The chef see him here with no shirt.
See it, mama, you know?
Time, man.
I'm out, you know? I'm ready to put me up a shirt, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So look, come on, see me again, a shirt, you know?
Shirt.
Yeah, man.
Marvin, Marvin, there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Blessing love to the world again. We love the world.
See there.
Because without the world, and the most I can.
Yeah.
Easy.
A little day I was working on the journey.
Yes, same way, never leaving. Always staying.
Yeah.
With everyone.
Drink.
Give thanks and support and the same way with Father God blessing them beside it.
Yeah. Drinking the shower look bossy over there, so.
Man, turn up, man.
Like.
Love it, man. Bad guy, isn't it?
Yeah. Shower.
This man going there and tell you, they're nice.
Yeah. Bossy. I'm sorry. Yeah. What I could do when you
Yeah, I want to big up Bill that to him because he do a good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You got the
Enough
bill there.
respect. Barger, enough respect because where you right now, you feel comfortable, love the settings, you see?
Yeah.
Everybody will come like the settings and say, yo, you need so.
Need.
Yeah, man, do a good job in the party, man.
Yeah, man.
Enough to do him thing, you know?
Yeah, man. People them a talk about him, you know.
Yeah,
The man with many talent, the man can do everything, you know. Barger himself, the builder, big up yourself every time.
Man. Much love, man, to Barger.
Yeah, man, Barger, big up to man, you know? Respect Barger, you know?
Yes,
See.
man.
Yeah, man.
Barger, you know? Big up yourself, my brother.
You see, you know, you say, no joke, no other thing. So, some little contribution for you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, I come for this show, that's not the day. So, I try to move on to the other. So, you have Jinjin, you have Dana from 28 in the USA, 2005. You have Dana from 28 in the USA.
Dana from 28.
Yeah, Dana from 28.
Dana from 28, Holy Love, blessings.
Yeah.
Respect for this right here, isn't it?
See there?
Holy love and gratitude.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Yeah, you know the thing though.
Yeah.
So you don't know, so you have also you have Marvin Morgan,
Yeah, man.
But them say the man who always there upon the journey
Yeah,
with
man,
me.
blessings, man.
Is in right through. So Eric said must bless you up. Eric from USA.
Eric?
Yeah, from the USA, bless you up $4,000. From
Eric, my general. The most I bless you, you know?
Yeah.
So I go far away, you know? Work for love and blessing, you know?
Yeah.
See?
We see.
Give thanks. 4 grand, my general.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Blessings and give thanks. So you know the thing there. I have also you have Prince. Prince, this is from friend from Essex in England.
Yeah.
Friend from Essex in England. $9,000. A friend from Essex in England.
Big up yourself, friend from Essex in New York.
England.
In England.
Yeah.
Much love, much strength for you. Guide and protection for you. That's where I was, you know?
Yeah, so that's towards the
Proud, you know?
that's towards the material. You need to get your things sorted out.
Which is right, you know?
And yeah, also you have liquor. Lisa and Raja. Lisa and Raja from New York. Yeah. Lisa and Raja from New York. $8,000. Man, hold that there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Lisa Raja?
Yeah, because you said that for the journey you always depend. You see me always there at the airport, you bring Prince for doctor. You had the older woman on site. Them always see her walk up and down with me. So that's what them saying I reach out for you because them like a spirit. So that's
So Lisa Raja?
Yeah, from New
Many
York.
thanks from what? New York?
Yeah.
New York, many thanks and more blessing. On top of blessing. Our Father God, guide and protect in the same way. Give you the strength. Without the God, there is nothing. So bless up Father God in everything.
Yeah. Straight. So at least I also have Delgado. Delgado. The people's them right now, you want them laugh right now, you know. And this also from Lisa and Roger from New York. New York. $5,000 from Lisa and Roger. Yeah.
New York. Yeah, my Lisa Raja. You go for yourself in a year. New York, yeah? Twice, me I tell you, New York. New York. You go for yourself in Lisa Raja. Yeah. Respect and thanks and goes off on, yeah?
Yeah, sure. Lisa and Roger.
Lisa Raja.
Yeah. So little, this is from Kim from London. Yeah, because you know them reach out to you, you know, because boy.
Yes, man.
Good things we had when I got a woman, they are seeing me already. So this is Kim from London, $10,000. From Kim from London.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kim from where?
From London.
Thank you very much, Kim. And hope Father God bless you, on top of blessing. And hope many things can possibly same way. I will give God thanks for every support and money. Everybody can give the grow.
Yeah.
And without God, there is nothing can do. So I have to put God in the space and the midst for everybody.
Yeah. Sure. And you have Jinjin, from Pam and Monique from the UK, $6,000. Yeah. Pam and Monique from the UK.
Pam and Monique.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to say much love to Pam and Monique. Blessings, respect, give thanks. Because this is what we do right now. Can't help out a little things. Only for love to all everybody. You see me? And guidance and protection.
Yeah.
Love.
Yeah, and this is from Miss Trench and her sister for liquor. Miss Trench and her sister in New York, in the USA. Miss Trench and her sister, they know themselves, $5,000 from Miss Trench.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Trench from New York?
Yeah, Miss Trench. and her
Trench.
sister. Yeah.
Miss Trench and your sister. More blessing on top of blessing. And Father God, guide and protect you right through. For each and one of us will be on the team. None of we not drop out. And none of we not leave Jinjin. So more blessings for Jinjin on top of blessing. For Kino also. But in that way. For everything. Without the Kino, this could not happen. And Father God alongside you. More blessing for each and one of them.
Alright then. So they are again once more.
All the blessing.
Love the world.
Yeah, no, she come like TrenchTown, Miss Trench.
Yeah.
Miss Trench.
And it's Trench, man, like TrenchTown.
I tell her Miss
I
Trench.
hear her name and
Only for strength to give you right, I know,
Yeah.
Only for strength.
We know the most high.
Like TrenchTown.
You see?
Yeah, man, Miss
Yeah.
TrenchTown.
Father God bless the world.
Yes, man, Miss
You
Trench,
see?
man. Respect you, I love you for that, yeah.
Honor each and every one of them. Not Strength alone, everybody.
Everybody.
Only for
Bless the
Only
people,
for
because of them without the people in the world.
Yes,
Nothing will be possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And keep up Kino to do the more, work more and
Yeah.
more. Not just alone, the journey I go lead, the journey I go travel more and more every day.
Yeah, man, Miss Trench, man, I say, look, man, come like an American jet plane, you know?
Yeah.
We say respect down, you know?
Yeah,
See me?
yeah. Straight,
Man,
so
all
we
for love to everybody, man. You see?
Yeah, man.
Guide and protection, you know?
Yeah,
Take
yeah.
care of yourself and you know, say everything. Like
everything up.
Only for love to everybody, right now. So the house up and running. I feel comfortable.
Comfortable.
You see me, so?
Yeah, okay.
Everybody, be a part of the donation. We love you know.
Yeah, man.
Heart. Only for love and respect.
Straight. Prince.
Yeah, man. Blessing to everyone who's you know, the donation, you know, guide and protect them each and every day, night time, you know, morning time, you know,
Yeah.
protect them, Father, you know,
Alright.
keep up the good work, you know,
Yeah.
blessing, you know.
That's what I
Yeah,
say.
man, you see? Big up yourself and get all people, yeah?
Yeah.
So, my respect, honor, yeah?
You say I cool?
Yeah, man, I cool. Yeah, Kino. I cool there, Kino.
To keep you cool.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I cool there, you know. Cool down.
Cool down.
Cool down. Cool.
Father God bless the world. The Most High bless the world.
Love for you, people.
Love the world, you know.
See there. And we are continue the good work, see me.
Yeah,
You
man,
know,
happy,
Prince
man.
next. Everything on Prince. Yeah.
And everybody me love on the see Prince, I'm happy now. Yeah.
Yeah, so Prince up and running. So I give thanks and thanks to support of them. Thanks to the one of them see me, you see me, and give thanks to the Almighty. So I don't know me, I just say that straight.
And Kino want to send one shout out to that special person. She know want to sell it, babes. Love you a lot, you hear that?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, so the boss find him wife. Yeah, you know, sir. See, yeah.
Jamaica, if you come here,
Yeah.
hold the apple and spoil. Enough apples make juice, yeah. Hold the apple juice.
Ooh. Alright then. Alright. Reach out. So I don't know if you're sign out because we can't have the good work see me. I don't know say. It's another day.
Each and every day, you know.
Alright
I'm
then.
after the Kino, all for respect again. You see me, brother?
Yeah man, I don't think
Because
about
I don't know. And you make this happen right now, Kino. You see me with Father God's strength.
it. Yeah.
Strength, so
Like,
all
Father God,
I'm after the all for respect and honor, brother, man.
Yeah, man.
Blessings for you, man. All for blessing, you see me?
Yeah, the God work you do man, you
You
see
get
me.
a blessing, Kino. Just go and hold it, man.
Yeah man, you know we
You
still have hold
do
it.
a good thing, man, you know, for Jamaica.
Yeah, yeah.
You might help out enough people who want help, you know, and need it. I want for blessing to you, brother, man. You hear that?
Yeah man, give thanks man.
Yes, man, straight.
We have to big up the Almighty straight every time.
Every time, every time, every time.
We have to thank him for the guidance and for the help and
Father
the
God
strength.
come first.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, the
All the
Most
time
High,
and
you know.
everything.
Respect the people, man, Kenny, yeah?
Yeah.
Love for the people.
Yeah.
England, America, New York City, anyone there, you know. London. You see me? Respect the people.
I see that girl there when they're on the team as a own woman, love each and every one of you who do this. Yeah. And Father God just guide and protect you, see me for do the good work. And
Yeah.
also keen alongside it too.
Yeah. Team there, man. So you don't know the team there. We have Clark on the outside to see him. We are going and relax. You see what I say? And you don't know them diamond up on the outskirts, see him here. You know anything about team over there. You don't know.
Which is right, you know?
We are walk a mile.
Yeah, true.
You see what I say? We are give thanks. Blessings.
Happy from top of happy, you know?
Alright.
We go so happy, you know?
Alright. Happy for happy.
Say I'm happy,
Yeah, I'm so happy, man.
Yes,
You know? I said the donation, you know, we're for a good life, you know?
Alright then, good life.
Things are happening, you know?
Yeah.
Shopping for you, see?
Yeah. Man full of talk.
Happy, man. Remember happy, man.
Whoa. Whoa.
They are cool out, you know, want to take some breeze, just drink a bottle of water, you know? Yeah, man, I see. My people, I'm gonna speak up myself, you know? Yeah. Respect on you know. But Afghan, everybody, respect.
Yeah. Straight. Man on the whole world.
One world.
Mama P.
Everybody.
Yeah.
And I big up Walla.
Why, we have enough to get remember.
Yeah, remember somebody's name.
Too much.
Kino, one big up Mikey Flex. Big up Mikey Flex. Big up yourself, brother.
Straight.
And you started, you know, for
Yeah.
you see me, everyone want for love, you see it.
Yeah.
Respect.
Alright then. Blessings and
Get
guidance.
you that good youth, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Everybody play their part, everybody play a part.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Trust.
Heart goes out for everybody. Work for love.
Straight. Alright.
That's make sure when I concrete yourself.
Mm.
No problem, a regular thing is.
Spencer. Of himself. You have a donation for you, Spencer. Yeah. What's your name? Nana. Yeah, Spencer. So Nana from the UK.
All of them too, guys. You don't know.
Give him some mango. Like we might get some donation for him. I get bitter board.
Pull off my mouse.
Yeah. So we give thanks to Nana from the UK. She said must bless you up $5,000.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, the driver always bring
Nana.
you on the journey.
Enough respect, you know. And God bless you, yeah, my brother.
Sure.
And that's your basket will never empty, my brother.
Indeed.
You will forever live happy in life, my brother. Give thanks.
Sure.
Give thanks.
Alright, see there.
Yes. So we have to make the man know.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man.
The builder. As well too.
Great Jenna, you know?
Great Jenna. People must stop talking about, you know.
Man, where?
Make all this possible.
See,
So you don't know if I do donation for you as well. Yeah. So you know we have to thank you for the work we are doing about it. As against the people.
Yeah, man. Man,
People.
Lama.
Yeah.
You know? It's a great pleasure for know, say, boy, when you can do something and others out there see it and appreciate it. You understand?
Sure.
But the most important thing is to know, say, you make somebody's life better and I lift somebody out of them condition.
Yeah.
You understand? That's the main purpose.
Yeah.
And we respect or honor everything we want to try to do for each and everybody. We play a part of this
Yeah.
and make the whole thing possible. Because as I say, without this wouldn't possible.
Really possible.
And last time I tell you, say, me even watch the ribbon cutting and I tell you, say, it moved me. Make goosebumps come for me. One of the main thing about it is that if you know where the man come from, to where he is right now, and the love we surround him and the appreciation with the people and make the journey possible. Trust me, I tell you, say it moved me. You know, most of all, you see that lady there will come make the prayer there.
Yeah.
I tell you, say, she said some words
Sister
and some
Julie.
things where a reality. But we don't go want to know, say, with all we say and all we done, all of who that try to make it, not reach the way it reach. realize and see yourself and know yourself and try and make a change in yourself.
True.
And know say love a power and love conquer all things. You understand? Because you see the outpouring of love where happen for the youth and them things. So if each and every one of it just come together and have that. But a better place to be TrenchTown will be one of the most glorious places, which it is. But the same little negative people that we unite and try hold it down the same way. We need to get rid of that and all the negativity will surround the place.
True.
You understand that each and everybody can live good.
True.
Because without each other we is nothing. That's why Father God deal with the left and the right. Balance out things, but we can't fly on one. So right now, brother, we need to use that as an example. When we take place with Gingin, as we say, respect for what happened to Gingin, respect for you what you do. Come open up the eyes of people and make them see. And it's only good that them can follow your footsteps. Put the pride aside and make the right move and make the change. Respect for all of you. We send off the contribution and everything and say, much appreciated. And it's good for know say well we can do something and others out there see it and appreciate it. And the most important thing is that what we are doing, it uplifts somebody's life. And that's what we all about. One crew, one love. You see the strength? Because it's dead every day. No negative.
No negative.
So, more love, man, and bless up to all who make it possible, man, and send it, man. Much appreciated, man.
So you see, you're from Panama, from Monique. From the UK. 6,000 for the
man. Monique, blessed love, man. Continue to do the goodness where you are doing.
That's from Pam Monique.
Man.
And in Pam as well, Pam and
Pam. Man, much love, man, and many thanks, man. Each and every one of them will make it possible, you know? As I say, most appreciated.
And this is from J. Brown. From the US.
Respect J. Brown from the US. Many thanks again, man. When the blessing can't too much, man. Because when you see the call and answer it, you know? So more love, man. Man. I see the crew, them man make it possible every time. Them man show love and put out the strength. No negative thing not there, so. When you see the thing and feel the vibe, you know say I real love. And real love, all things are possible. So we conquer all the negativity. And all the dragon them about the place that they want to see you prosper. And you make another step. Burn them out.
Fire. Dream team.
Good day, our
Dream team and make the thing work, you know?
Swear God. They come outside and can scrape off that. Sometimes I see a 2-way driving.
Yeah, so nice.
Up and running.
There up on the side. Prince Foundation, you know where the thing go.
Higher Prince style.
Higher Prince level there now.
Them go chat to my youth, probably on a waste man.
Eric, you wanna be the
So work for the good life, you know, Marvin them and Kino with the program, you know, I would like it to work. Help the people them boy, you see me?
Good life.
Right, good life, you know.
Like them a shout you out there.
Yo, me a match up some work and I go up on the car seat, go and talk back to Magic.
Alright, see me your face.
See man face fuck man. Like,
You DJ, you know.
I'm just carrying that 1 to 4 bucks.
DJ, man, big up yourself, my brother, you hear that? Yeah, man, I want to anything to come from.
Oh, John King.
Boy, yeah. That's how we are cook today.
Some color now, you know. Some vegetable.
Vegetable.
Some dumpling, you know, whole heap of corn in.
Yes, shit.
Look a piece of saltfish on the side, like one side, so.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
I want bean night if I walk hard. Generally, to eat saltfish.
Yeah, true.
Thing of a slice, something
Yeah, man,
different.
general.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause. So we are doing the things still, you know, cause.
Healthy.
Yeah, man, nobody watch it. Shirt time, hot right now. Night I see me in my shirt. So me have to do it, you know. Yeah, man, people. Some vegetable right now.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. So,
Some callaloo and such.
we soon see the settings how it look.
Yeah.
New York City, New York. England, big up on yourself, you know, Sheffield Wednesday and them place. Chelsea, Manchester City and them place there, you hear that?
Manchester United.
United and them place there, yeah man.
Manchester itself.
Netherlands and them country, big up on yourself, you know, yeah.
Shit.
You just stop your saying it, just start, you know.
Yeah, you know stop yourself.
Don't know, you know.
Mad.
Only for nice.
How are you that?
Only for nice.
When I this Saturday?
Next.
Next Saturday. Oh.
Got a top part.
No, man, there, yeah.
Alright then.
So take a look at the thing.
Yeah, man, I found for the bucket there. Can't get that too rich.
Yeah,
I'm standing and grab the final one there.
Hey, man, on the log one. Jenna. I got Jenna, let me see some you there. Yo, Jenna, you log one. Yeah, man, I see it, man.
When I say I was boy in the kitchen.
Man, say you want to firm and you have to put water in it. I tell the man what water you go for. One cocks man.
Well, more sand and gravel.
Come here, come to the bucket. Sprinkle to this one. Sprinkle to this one.
No, too bad. Just want to top all.
Yeah.
Put the black on it.
Yeah, cause it's done too rich already.
Yeah.
Sand and gravel, no one more cement.
Sand and gravel.
Then more the rest of black, you know, sink.
Yeah.
Good enough now.
Okay.
Good life, you know.
Good life. There upon it.
Prince program, as I say,
Yeah.
respect it, I don't know, you go do to that.
See that we're elevating from there, so.
Cool, man. Yes.
We're elevating from the shop behind right there, so.
True. Don't know, they mix the material, and I get like this, as I say.
Yeah, true.
Not the man need for good man, some look for work, brother. Come in and join the good life program, brother. Come mix some concrete,
True.
carry some bucket, brother.
Yeah. Help out the poor people, them.
Yeah, man, help out the poor man, build the community, brother. Some man, lift up, brother. You know, mash something, you know.
True. Help out the people, them in need, you know.
Good life,
Yeah,
you
man,
know.
we don't want to put the road here dead by no gunshot and everything, yeah, man. Old and sick and dead, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
43 me I do around there, you know.
See it there?
I know, cucumber years in me, you know. 43, you know. Concrete here, like this, man. What you got?
37, man.
37
years.
Them see
Yeah,
them,
see him, yeah.
And Kino.
Life, man.
See him
Good
over
life.
there, yeah, man.
Oh, joking, brother. One family, brother.
One family. Yeah, help
Enough
out
time
the...
in my house, and I say, what I do? And I say, blood, now, Kino program, I go and hear me, I'm lift up in the car. Now I work,
Yeah.
and Kino deal a good program, say what I want. Kino make me a work,
Yeah,
come in and work.
true.
Build something, brother, do something good to the community.
Yeah, for real.
Do something positive, brother.
Yeah. Something positive to the community.
Black pocket is that. Okay, that one now. Alright.
TrenchTown,
TrenchTown rap, you know.
Can't watch that.
See you later.
Big fish and spread.
Big up your lap.
Barley himself.
Barley. Can you give me highlights? Can you give me video?
Oh, no highlighting.
Oh, the highlight. Can't give me the highlight, you know. Barley that, you know. Enough people give me highlight, man. A Barley that, you know.
Original.
Go closer, man, Kino. Go closer.
Original. Yeah, see one.
You zoom up.
Yeah, man. Original foundation, man, you know.
Yeah, man.
Never leave the goalie.
Yeah, man.
Never leave the goalie. Yeah.
Never go, you see it?
Real. Never leave the goalie.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.